I've got a 2013 Lexus LX570. The rear hatch struts are getting a little weak. I'm going to show you how to remove them. You're going to remove some Torx fasteners here, 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 and here, and a 10mm bolt for this bumper. That's going to let you pull this piece of trim down. Far enough to get to these two 12mm bolts. Don't lose these bolts. You also need to be ready to have your hatch, or already have it propped up so that it does not fall when you loosen the second bolt. Then you're going to come around. Next, you're going to take a 12mm wrench, remove this bolt holding the lower piece of the strut. I bought these struts off of eBay. I'll show a link in the description. They come with a new bottom mounting knob, and you simply snap them in. You need to replace the bolt first, attach the upper part of the strut, and there's a wire clip that when you get the lower part on the ball, you're going to put this wire clip in, snap it around, it'll secure it to the lower ball, button it back up, you're done.